person, you must have rice cooker with rice and to cut the veggies. Boiling the tomato and the fish. That's the time I'll cut the veggies. We just need to cut the tomatoes and then we just need to cut the onion because this is needed for boiling of the water together with the fish. I love pepper. I mean, I think it gives like a really nice taste to food, but it's not salty. Here we have it. I'll just cover it again and wait until it boils, and then I'll put the fish. So now it's almost boiling. I can put the fish, and then also I start cooking the rice. Okay. Usually just use the normal one, but I don't know why I have this gabi. And yeah, this is the one I bought from Qatar. Ah, diba? Useful. Okay, so now we're going for the kangkong. I love it. Why do you make fun of me, right? Like, it's full of veggies and I like it that way. I'm not gonna change it. Second batch. I know I can do it. I've done it before. So scary, like it's so full, right? Don't worry, it will flat out. See that? Ooh, green. That's about it. That is the sinigang. So quick and easy. It depends on how well cooked you want the veggies and everything, but I think for me that's fine. If you wonder where's the third kangkong, don't worry about it. I think I'm gonna finish this first batch of kangkong and I'll just have to top it up later. See, yummy, amazing. So that's why I told you must eat your veggies because it does a lot of good things to your body. It makes you look young and happy. So you don't have to go to clinics much. You don't have to put makeup because that's it. Just eat natural food. So you have natural face also. Natural body. I prefer eating veggies and fruits, so it's not difficult for me. I know that we have different body types, we have different preferences, but at some point it's all in the mind. I believe if you train yourself to eat more veggies, then you start to feel like it tastes really good. I have to learn bahasa because I'm really curious like how it goes to the wet market here. I haven't really gotten to one. I don't know where it is, but that will be my goal. Like mura. I know mura because it's cuisine and mahal. So, but I want to learn how to haggle in basa. Right? This is my day. I just go to the gym, cook, eat healthy food, and then I'll be doing my editing and packing for my next flight. So we're actually like in the middle of the month. I really love flying. They say love is lovelier the second time around. Like if you don't appreciate it the first time, you feel like, oh, it's okay, whatever. But the second time, like, you will get tired, of course. You'll frustrated. Also, just like in love, in relationship. But you will go back to the reason why you chose it. Like for this example, I chose this job, so I really love it. And I'm sure that I love it. This time, I'm 100% sure. I want it, I have it, I love it. I don't want to work anything else. Oh, no more. So if you have a chance, if you are cut out for it, then go ahead. I will be starting my lecture videos as I promised. Now it will be more of cabin crew topics that I wanted to share. I hope it will help you on your journey if you wanted to become a cabin crew. That's about it. I think I talked too much already. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time.